Hi everyone, Adwin here. Now today I'm going to share with you how to repurpose content for social media in 2020. Welcome to this video. Today I will share with you how I repurpose content for all the social media that I'm in. Now there are basically three main points that I would like to cover today. Number one, what is repurposing of content and why do you need it? What are the benefits if you decided to repurpose your content? And how to repurpose your content so that your content can be seen by more social media. So if you're first time on this channel, do like and subscribe. So what is repurpose of content? Well, basically it's about reusing content for different audience. I'm sure that over the years you have created a lot of contents, be it a travel photos or travel videos or videos for events, and some of the content you can reuse them and repurpose for different specific purpose audience. So say for example you're on Facebook, your audience most likely are on mobile and they will want to see content that is short. Videos that is about 3 minutes to 5 minutes will be the best. And you can think of which part of the video you can extract out these 3 to 5 minutes and share with this group of audience to achieve the purpose of marketing your products or service. It's also about exposing your content to more platforms, and at the same time you can produce less content. You can repurpose the content for different social media channels that you're using. For example, you're on Instagram. An Instagram audience would like to see shorter video, say for example 15 seconds videos. Which part of the 15-second videos from your previous post could be used? For example, you are producing a videos that's on YouTube, the part of the YouTube videos that you can cut out and reuse it on different parts of the Instagram post. So all this content need not be discarded, just that you need to repurpose them and put out your marketing message that you want them to see or to act upon. And I've mentioned before, different social media channel, you need to position yourself differently in terms of knowing the audience. For example, audience on TikTok, they're much more younger. What can you teach them, or what kind of knowledge do you want to share with them? Or are you just plainly entertaining them to make them curious about who you are? And for example, if you're on LinkedIn, the kind of audience that you're working with are most likely business owner. And how should you talk and present yourself? By using which part of the video that's most engaging with them on this platform. With this, let's take a look at what are the benefits of repurposing your content. So what are the benefits? First of all, you can target a new audience group which you have never thought of or you have never wanted to do it before. So by having content which you have already tailored for different audience group, you can reach out to more audience. The same piece of content that you reuse is not copy and paste. It's more than copy and paste, more like positioning yourself to give them what they want in the most effective and efficient way. And this also reinforces your marketing messages. For example, you're doing a promotion, you're doing a giveaway, you're doing so-called year-end sales. So how are you going to position this message for different group? For example, TikTok, they like entertainment. Probably you can cut out a small part of the video and put in some emojis or some text messages that entice them. So there are many different combinations of marketing messages that can say the same thing. You just need to know what message that get your customer or get your audience to engage. And at the same time, you're creating credibility and authority for yourself. Now if I see you, the message appearing on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, I know that you are somebody. You're someone that is able to provide me the value that I want, and I'll follow you and I'll like you. I'll even subscribe to you. So whenever you post something new, I will want to know. So this is one way that you can engage your audience by positioning yourself and at the same time become an authority. This also helps you to save time, whereby you do not need to create many contents and think of new contents to create, even though content creations is part of what content creator does every single day. And in a way, you increase your productivities, whereby you need to customize the right messages, and the ultimate goal is to automate the whole process, whereby you understand your audience on different platforms require what kind of content. Now let's take a look at how to repurpose your content. You can repurpose your content by taking your blog post, the new blog post or the old blog post, and convert it into a video, meaning you need to record yourself talking on videos for a blog post, and at the same time you can add in new experiences into the video. Just like this particular video that I created, it was a repurposed content, but it wasn't my content, it can be someone else's content. So in a way, you can have multiple variation of content you can come up with and to share with your audience. You can also take this particular video and convert it into a blog post and post it on your blog, your social media, your Facebook post, or share it in your Facebook page. So in this way, you can see that video itself is just a media. Audio is also a media. So you can use the audio to convert into a podcast as well. Now, blog content itself would not be read, or most likely be read on Instagram, because Instagram audience would like something that they can view in shorts, like 15 seconds or very short text that probably would take them 1 to 2 minutes to read. You need to extract out the most important part and entice your audience to read on Instagram. So in this way, you can engage more of your audience at the same time getting their feedbacks. And also, you can repost old content that you created in the past, probably last year or 2 years ago, but repurpose it and use it on the social media. Say for example, tomorrow there's a new social media that came out. This social media is very unique. The content probably only take in 5-second video. You can take out the 5-second video from your previous video post and extract this part and post it onto this social media so as to repurpose your content for the audience over there. Last but not least, you can also create webinars whereby you can invite industry authority in the same niche as you to share their experience. At the same time, you can also share the content you've created in the past, but this is more in an interactive way whereby your audience can ask you questions based on your video that you produced in the past. Now we see that recently in this pandemic, there's a lot of Zoom videos that a lot of content creators started to invite their audience to go in to have an interaction with them. So some of the content, as you know, are repurposed content that they created in the past. It's not something new, it's just that probably the first time you're seeing it and that's new to you. So in summary, we'll cover today how to repurpose your content to fit different audience group, and also to help you to save time by recreating new contents from existing content. And lastly, you spread your words wide by using different marketing messages for different platforms, and in this way you can have unlimited content for different social media. Even if tomorrow there's a new social media that come out, you can easily position yourself. So I hope this video is useful to you. If you find this video is useful, do like, share it with someone, and I'll see you in the next video.